Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. We are here in Bainbridge, New York, the beautiful town where I went to high school. Love this place. This is where I moved to pretty much right after coming to the United States of America. And you know, a lot of history here, a lot of memories. See where that MBT bank was? It used to be like town hall or something, or one next to it, and I used to do community service there for somebody who knows. Cute. Anyway, I just gassed up. I was just in Oneonta, which is my college town. I just ran into my buddy Sloth in Bainbridge here at the park, and now I'm heading to Walton, 23 miles, to buy some chicken thighs and some beer, and then I'm gonna go back home and chop trees, chainsaw stuff, and drink that beer that I bought. So it's great. It's gonna be great. And now we're just gonna tuck in into 206 East, which dumps me straight into Walton. I used to drive this road all the time back in the day. My ex-girlfriend, Lori, used to live up this road to the right. I'll point out the road. But I would go like 100 miles per hour here in my little 1985 Nissan Sentra. It was lovely. It was lovely. Oh. Upstate. Came up to the country for a week to do a bunch of stuff in my house. The idea is to like not plan so much. Seems like every time I come up I'm always doing something, or always have to do something. There's like a list in very limited time, so it's very nice to have a proper few days here. Masonville. Yeah, I've been kind of riding, not all day, but for quite a bit. Probably done less than 100 miles, but it's just so hot. 100 miles with like 25 stops, because I stopped here, there, and everywhere. I went to Home Depot. I went to another store. I went to this park. Stopped for gas. Stopped at another park, all in the sun, so that shit gets to you. So now I'm kind of like sitting all the way back on the seat. Chilling, stretched out, going 60. This right here, this turn to the right is where my ex-girlfriend used to live, right there. About a quarter mile that way. Look at this beauty. Wow. It's amazing. fifth better. Six is gonna be a little too choppy unless you're actually really cooking it. Six is a little too high sometimes. I'm certainly not cooking it. Should have passed this guy here, I guess. But bike that can pass anybody anywhere. Ooh, nice little sail here. That way. I should explore it one of these days. I don't really know it much. Not the most exciting video, but this is the truth. Just chilling. It's funny, yesterday I was transporting a 30 pack, or yesterday, 2 days ago, in my Kia 40, and 4 of them exploded because I put the thing sideways. So some of the cans were making contact with my little trunk. I think it's the sun. The sun is a little intense. There's no escaping it at this hour. It's going to be around for another fucking 5 hours minimum, so might as well just power through. Here we just go straight. We go to Deposit, go to Sydney. There used to be a cute little store back there, but not anymore. Dollar General, huh? Wildlife today, earlier today. I saw mad deer. Saw like these baby turkeys sitting on the side of the road, and I went by them, they didn't even move. I think they were tiny little babies somehow. They fell out of the nest. I don't know. Pretty much it. Upstate New York. That's what you do. East Coast. East 206, baby. Such a classic road in my memory. I'm sure it means nothing to anybody, but 206, warm place in my heart. Pass them. It'll be alright. Pass them on the next little straight. Not too worried. Beautiful over there. Subaru. Delaware River Watershed. This view is going to be grand. Let's take a look.